Before He reveals, He rebuilds. There are seasons where the breaking feels endless, where the walls cave in, and the blueprint of your life crumbles at your feet. But what if this breaking was part of the building? What if every tear, every silent prayer, every unanswered question was really a nail in the foundation of what God is getting ready to raise? This is not destruction. This is construction. This is the refining fire of a God who doesn't patch over pain, but burns away what can't stay. He's tearing down the version of you that survived, so He can rebuild the one that will thrive, scaffolding your soul with surrender, framing your future with obedience, and setting it all on fire. Because what God builds, He baptizes in fire. And He's sending voices who carry the fire. Apostle Darrell Evans, Superintendent Marcus Smith, Prophetess Kymar Garner, Dr. Valerie Moore, and Prophetess Norchell Evans, each one a builder, each one an answer to a broken place. Self Under Construction Prayer Revival, October 1st through 3rd and October 5th. The Way Church, 2315 Highway 82 East, Greenville, Mississippi. He's rebuilding me from the inside out. Be there. Don't miss it.